Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some Cottagecore inspired room decor ideas. Let's start the video. Cottagecore room decor is a cozy, romantic decorating style inspired by countryside cottages, nature, vintage charm, and simple living. It creates a warm and peaceful atmosphere using soft colors, floral patterns, rustic furniture, handmade items, and natural materials. Cottagecore room often feel dreamy, nostalgic, and connected to nature. Cottagecore room decor ideas use soft, neutral colors. Choose calming shades like cream, chess cream, soft pink, beige, light brown, and warm white. These colors make the room feel peaceful and cozy. Add floral patterns. Floral prints are one of the biggest cottagecore elements. Use them on bedding, curtains, pillows, wallpaper, and rugs. Tiny flower prints create a soft countryside feeling. Decorate with vintage furniture. Look for wooden dressers, antique mirrors, rustic side tables, vintage lamps, and distressed furniture. Old-fashioned furniture adds character and charm. Bring nature indoors. Nature is the heart of cottagecore style. Add fresh flowers, jade lavender, or indoor plants. Use wicker baskets. Also wooden decor. Use warm lighting. Soft lighting makes the room magical and relaxing. Try fairy lights, candles, vintage lamps, and warm yellow bulbs. Avoid harsh white lighting. Add handmade and cozy touches. Cottagecore loves handmade beauty. Decorate with crochet blankets, knitted pillows, handmade wall art, lace tablecloths, and embroidery hoops. Create a reading corner. A small reading nook fits perfectly with cottagecore style. Add a comfy chair, a soft blanket, books, lamps, and tea tray. It creates a calm countryside vibe. Display vintage decor pieces. Cute decorative items can make the room feel more authentic. Use vintage clocks, ceramic vases, old books, teacups, and framed botanical art. Use layered textures. Mix different textures to make the room feel warm and lived in. Use linen bedding, cotton curtains, old blankets, rattan baskets, and wooden furniture. Keep the room cozy, not perfect. Cottagecore is about comfort and simple beauty, not perfection. A slightly messy, lived-in look makes the room feel more natural and charming. Cottagecore style mode. Think of fresh flowers on a wooden table, rainy afternoon set books, warm tea and soft blankets, a peaceful countryside cottage. That is the heart of cottagecore decor. Cottagecore is more than just a decorating style. It is a lifestyle aesthetic inspired by peaceful countryside living, nature, vintage beauty, and solo living. It became popular because many people wanted homes that felt calm, comforting, and cozy instead of modern and stressful. The style is inspired by English countryside cottages, vintage farmhouse homes, garden life, handmade crafts, nature, and simple living. Main features of cottagecore rooms: cozy and warm atmosphere. Cottagecore rooms should feel soft, peaceful, and welcoming. The goal is to create a space where you can relax, read, craft, or enjoy quiet moments. Instead of bright modern lights, sharp furniture, minimal empty spaces, Cottagecore uses warm lighting, soft fabrics, layered decor, and vintage details. Nature-inspired decoration. Nature is one of the biggest parts of cottagecore style. Popular natural elements include wildflowers, evergreens, giant flowers, mushrooms, butterflies, wooden furniture, and stone or wicker decor. Popular cottagecore rooms color. The color palette is usually soft and earthy. Popular colors: shades cream, dusty rose, cream white, warm beige, light brown, mustard yellow, and soft blue. These colors help create a calm countryside feeling. Cottagecore bedroom essentials. Some common cottagecore bedroom items are floral bedding, lace curtains, wooden shelves, vintage mirrors, candles, fairy lights, crochet blankets, books, teacups, and handmade decorations. Furniture style in cottagecore. Furniture usually looks vintage, rustic, handmade, antique, soft and natural. Materials often used: wood, wicker, rattan, linen, and cotton. Furniture does not need to look new. Slightly aged furniture actually adds more charm. Cottagecore wall decor ideas. Wall decorations can include botanical prints, vintage paintings, giant flower frames, wooden sign, hanging ivy, antique mirrors, and handmade embroidery. Lighting is very important in cottagecore rooms because it creates the cozy mood. Best lighting choices: fairy lights, candles, vintage lamps, warm yellow bulbs, lantern style lights. Avoid bright white LED lighting because it removes the cozy feeling. Why people love cottagecore? People love cottagecore because it feels peaceful, nostalgic, romantic, cozy, creative, and connected to nature. It creates a relaxing escape from busy modern life. You do not need expensive furniture to create this style. Many cottagecore rooms use gifted items, DIY decorations, handmade crafts, vintage market finds. The charm comes from personality and comfort, not perfection. Cottagecore room decor is all about creating a dreamy, peaceful space that feels connected to nature and simple countryside living. The style mixes vintage charm, handmade beauty, and cozy comfort to create a room that feels warm, peaceful, and personal, and relaxing. Many people describe cottagecore as romantic, soft, nostalgic, nature-inspired, whimsical, cozy, and lived in. The history behind Cottagecore. Cottagecore became popular online because people started loving slower, simpler lifestyle. The aesthetic was inspired by English countryside cottages, old farmhouses, vintage rural homes, garden cottages, traditional handmade living. It celebrates baking, gardening, sewing, reading books, collecting vintage items, decorating with nature. The style became especially popular because it gives people a peaceful escape from busy modern life. A cottagecore room should feel like a rainy afternoon with tea and books, a small countryside cottage filled with flowers, a cozy winter home surrounded by nature, a calm place to relax and slow down. The room should never feel too modern or too perfect. Layers are important in cottagecore. Cottagecore rooms usually look rich and cozy because they use many layers. Examples: layered blankets on the bed, multiple pillows, rugs over wooden floors, curtains with lace details, books and candles on shelves. Layering creates warmth and personality. Cottagecore textures. Texture help make the room feel soft and comfortable. Popular textures: linen, cotton, crochet, lace, wood, wicker, rattan, and tulle. Soft fabrics mixed with rustic materials create the perfect balance. Small decorative details are very important in Cottagecore. Popular decor pieces, antique clocks, vintage books, ceramic teacups, glass jars, pressed flowers, candlesticks, botanical prints, also old picture frames. These details make the room feel collected over time and a state of thought all at once. Cottiscore and handmade beauty. Handmade items are a huge part of the aesthetic because they make the room feel personal and authentic. Ideas include crochet pillow covers, knitted blankets, handmade candles, DIY flower arrangements, embroidery art, handmade shelves. Even simple DIY projects can make the room feel more magical. Windows are often decorated softly to let natural light create a dreamy atmosphere. Popular window ideas: shade curtains, lace curtains, hanging plants, flower pots on windowsills, vintage curtain ties. Natural sunlight is very important in cottagecore rooms. Many people change their cottagecore decor with the seasons. First, spring, use fresh flowers, use floral beading and pastel colors. For summer, use light linen fabrics, wildflower bouquets, and garden-inspired decor. For autumn, use warm blankets, candles, dead flowers, and pumpkin decor. For winter, use soft knitted textures, warm lighting, cozy wooden corners. Modern cottagecore. Some people mix cottagecore with modern styles. This is called modern cottagecore. It combines clean modern furniture with vintage decor, natural textures, and soft colors, and cozy details. This style feels less cluttered, but still keeping the cottagecore warmth. The most beautiful cottagecore rooms usually feel personal, include meaningful items, use natural materials, mix old and new pieces, focus on comfort instead of perfection. Cottagecore is about creating a beautiful home that feels warm, gentle, and full of character. Cottagecore is not just a cute room style, it is a full atmosphere. It focuses on how a space feels, smells, looks, and even how you live in it. The goal is to turn a room into a soft, solo, nature-filled sanctuary. Cottagecore rooms often reflect daily life activities like drinking tea slowly in the morning, reading old books by a window, gardening or keeping indoor plants, writing journals or ledgers, doing crafts like sewing, knitting, or paintings. So, the room is designed to support calm living, not just to look pretty. Different types of cottagecore styles. Cottagecore has many variations. First, classic English cottagecore, inspired by the English countryside, uses floral wallpapers, lace curtains, wooden furniture, and cozy fireplaces. Dark cottagecore, moody cottagecore, more dramatic and cozy. Use dark green, brown, and burgundy tones. Uses candlelight instead of bright lights. Use antique style furniture, forest light filling. Fairy cottagecore, more magical and dreamy. Fairy lights everywhere. Use mushroom, stars, and moon decor. Use soft pastel colors. Whimsical handmade items also uses. Next, minimal cottagecore, simple version. Use fewer decorations, clean wooden furniture, soft neutral colors, a few nature pieces like plants and flowers. Important sensory elements, very important. Cottagecore is not only visual, it also focuses on senses. Smell, use lavender, vanilla candles, fresh flowers, and herbal tea scents. Next, sound. Rain sound, soft music, and bird song for nature ambience. Texture touch. Use soft blankets, rough oak tables, crochet and knitted fabrics. Use linen curtains. These details make the room feel alive and comforting. Instead of decorating everything, Cottagecore often focuses on small zones. First, reading corner. Use chairs or floor cushions, small bookshelves, soft blanket, and warm lamp. Also plant corner, hanging plants, clay pots, wooden stand, and natural light. Tea corner. Use tray with cups, glass jars, dead flowers, and vintage kettles. A true Cottagecore room feels like a quiet countryside morning where sunlight comes through lace curtains. Flowers sit on a wooden table, and everything feels slow, soft, and peaceful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me.